running in from Nashville. Lost my words today, people. Lost my words.
Alaska 41, contact Miami departure. Good night. 41 2.
Side conversations. There people are. Side conversations. But we got Southwest Airlines coming in from Nashville. Okay. Alright. Our next departure is Delta Airlines at A321 going to Detroit. Alright. Aircraft type? We got our 2 departures coming in. Well, actually not coming in, or departing. We got up front, we got Delta Airlines in A321neo heading off to Detroit. And then we got Frontier Airlines going to Las Vegas. Have a good night. For the ATC people. That's ATC's words, not my words. Is that Frontier? Or is that Delta? That actually might be Frontier then Delta. Alright. Frontier Airlines. Frontier. That looks like an A320neo, I think. A321neo. Heading off to Las Vegas, A320neo. And that's a Delta A321neo heading off to Detroit. Alright, we have Frontier on Bravo. Charlie. boat is on the runway. To Las Vegas. And we got